Dear viewers, welcome to all in our channel ELMV, that is Easy Learning Medical Videos. Today we are going to talk about an important topic, and this is about the cardiology, and the topic is how to assess cardiovascular system. When a patient comes with the symptoms of cardiovascular system, we should observe the symptoms and the general well-being of the patient, including breathlessness or any kind of distress present or not. And then we should observe the body mass. Patient may be obese, may be cachexia, such as in cardiac cachexia in heart failure. Also should observe the special body habitus such as Marfan syndrome and other syndromes. Also we should examine the tissue perfusion by observing skin temperature very carefully. In heart failure or low cardiac output, there may be cool periphery. We should observe the sweating. If there is sweating with chest pain, may be due to myocardial infarction. We should also measure the urine output to see the proper tissue perfusion. Then examine the hand very carefully. First of all, for clubbing, which may be present in congenital heart disease, infective endocarditis. Then search for findings of other signs of infective endocarditis such as splinter hemorrhage, osseous nodes, GNO lesions. Also search for cyanosis, which may indicate low perfusion. Then examination of pulse, which is very important. Examine the radial pulse very carefully and observe the rate, rhythm. Examine the carotid pulse very carefully in both sides separately. And also you have to observe here volume, character or any kind of bruit present or not. Then blood pressure, which is very much important to measure for the cardiovascular system examination. Measure the jugular venous pressure very much carefully. You can see a video link provided here. Then examine the face, mouth and eyes. First of all, stigmata of hyperlipidemia such as xanthelasma, which we have shown here. You can see yellowish colored xanthelasma, and also do a fundoscopic examination of the patient for hypertensive retinopathy, diabetic retinopathy, etc. Then search for dental caries, which may be a sign of infective endocarditis. Search for pallor and central cyanosis also. Examine the precordium very much carefully. Inspect, palpate and auscultate the precordium. Here we have provided a link to more details about examination of precordium. Then examine from the back for lung crepitations, especially basal crepitation, which indicate left ventricular failure, and also see sacral edema, especially in bedridden patient. Then examine abdomen for hepatomegaly, which may indicate heart failure, congestive heart failure where tender hepatomegaly present. Search for ascites, which may be present in heart failure. Also you have to search for bruit, and it is very important to search for any signs of aortic aneurysm such as palpable or visible pulsatile mass in abdomen. Examine the extremities very carefully. Search for tendon xanthoma, catch xanthelasma. Examine for femoral pulses in both sides and see the radiofemoral delay or any kind of bruit present or not. Examine the legs and foot for any kind of edema and also any features of vasculitis present or not. So thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.